Okay, today's the first day of a 5-day, maybe a 7-day dry fast. I'll see how I feel by the end of the week. And this is the easy day. It's just like any other day, except you're not eating, you're not drinking, so you're kind of drawn to the kitchen a little bit, just out of habit. The coffee machine, the latte machine. So today it's just going to be business as usual. You just walk around, use up your glycogen in your muscles and your liver, and get ready to turn on your fat at about day 3. I woke up this morning, didn't eat, of course, deeply into chaperone-mediated autophagy now, where I'm grinding up these old broken proteins and shuttling them over into lysosomes to be degraded back into amino acids and used for new cells and other molecules. So it's an interesting day because you really don't feel like you're doing much except not eating. There's not much craving going on. I had some grumbling stomach. That's pretty typical. And but then again, like I said, I know when I'm ready for a dry fast. I know when I need to do a dry fast. And it was one of those times. I said earlier in some of the videos I was going to do this in a month or so. Nah, you kind of know when it's time to go. So it's time to do it, and I'm in the middle of it, and it feels great. And I hope to see you tomorrow. So this is the easy one. This is when all these systems are starting to change over and transition because you're not eating. And if you stopped eating for a couple of days, you start going into a starvation mode, which is a whole different reaction. If you just start eating tomorrow, you'd probably lose a pound from a day of not eating, because you have to constantly recycle your fat. Your food breaks down into components that are reassembled into fat that aren't used for making energy at the time of digestion, so that when you're not eating and you need that stuff, it can keep your homeostasis going. So there's always this rolling, food, fat assembly, and so forth going on in your body. Yeah, it's just part of normal life. Anyway, so today's an easy day. I'm getting ready to transition probably tomorrow into feeling a little more fatigued, usually how it happens. And, the usual. Anyway, I'll talk to you tomorrow. And first day, down, easy.